If you're in a collision, of course, you're still at the accident scene. You want to get all the information you can. If somebody hit you or if there's somebody else involved, you do want to exchange your information. Name, driver's license, license plate. If there's any witnesses, you want to make sure you get their names. And then you call MPI. And the number there is 1-800-665-2410. You explain to them what happened and they give you a number. You write this number down. When you bring your number to me, we handle all the rest. We are a direct repair facility, so give us a call with that number. Stop by. If your vehicle is drivable, you can come right in and we will take pictures and do the rest for you. No, just the vehicle if it's drivable and your registration. So after you make the claim, you can give us a call and we'll book you an appointment to come in and have it looked at by my body shop manager, Larry, and he will take pictures of it and then he will submit the claim for you online. So we are a one-stop shop. We are a direct repair facility, which means you don't have to go anywhere else.